They can wear.
See, according to our act, we were clearly saying so far we have said more than 100 times. The management has got right to insist the uniform. There were some conditions. The dignity and decorum has to be maintained. No religious practice should not be done. That was the direction given by the government according to the act and rule. And so most of the school management had prescribed their own uniform. Even the Woodpee school had notified its own, prescribed its own uniform. In that, hijab was there, and girls were coming to the school without hijab. In December end and March first week, they started putting hijab, so they were not entertained because uniform was there. It was a prescribed uniform. No student can disobey the orders of the SDMC regarding uniform.
Sir, PU board doesn't describe
PU board. I am also now mentioning that PU Act and rule says that committee, SDMC committee has the right, not PU.
Sir, camera, sir.
SDMC committee has got right to prescribe the uniform, and Woodpee school had started that. Not now. Since 1885, they were running, prescribed a uniform, and thousands of, not thousands, I think more than 50,000-60,000 have passed away in that school, and everyone has followed that uniform. Only 6 girls were adamant that it is religious, it is their religious practice, and we will follow we have to come with hijab. The court has clearly said there is no, till final orders, they cannot follow any religious practice. That has to be proved whether it is a religious hijab can be allowed or not. But now in interim order, it has clearly mentioned no hijab, no. तो पहले से ही बोल रहा हूँ, यह लड़की का मन कुछ लोगों ने डिस्टर्ब किया है, उसका मन में यह रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट डाल चुका है. वो लोग बहुत अच्छी लड़की, तो हमारा बहन बहुत बढ़िया था, मगर कुछ अपने पीछे हो सकता है. इसमें हम लोग एक्सप्लेन भी किया था. हम लोग जैसा आदमी हाई कोर्ट को, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जा नहीं सकता है. ये एक स्मॉल गांव का लड़की सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट कैसा हो सकता है? वह भी हाई कोर्ट में ऐसा 5 सुप्रीम कोर्ट सीनियर जज लॉयर्स को लेकर इसके ऊपर क्या कर सकता है? मैं तो इसके पीछे यह लड़की है नहीं, लड़की के पीछे है. अभी यह आज और एक, कल और आज और एक इंसिडेंट हुआ, आपको भी मालूम है. कपिल सिब्बल, सीनियर मोस्ट कांग्रेस लीडर, वह माजी सचिव भी था, वह कोर्ट को गया था. वही हिजाब के बारे में बोल सकता है. मैं एज ए लॉयर आई हैव गॉन टू द कोर्ट. टुडे ही इज नॉट ए लॉयर, ही इज ए लीडर ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी. He is the president of the youth wing of the Congress party, and he has gone to Supreme Court. Means, you know who are behind it. You can even imagine why they did at the particular time.